How to delete transfer history in Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this Remitly tutorial, you would learn how you can delete transfer history. Now, the first step is to log in into your Remitly account, and then at the top part of the screen, you'll see some tabs which include send money, transfer history, refer friends. And then once you can see this, the next step is to move to your transfer history. Here you will see all of the transfers that you've done so far on your account. Okay, so once you click on your transfer history and you are brought to this page, wait for it to load. On this page, you'll see all of your transfers being displayed, both the one in progress, the one that has been delivered, and everything all together. And now you must note that Remitly does not allow users to directly delete their transfer history from the app or website due to legal and regulatory reasons. So if you want to delete it, having seen your transfers, the best thing is to contact the customer support team. And then how do you contact them? Move to the top right corner, click on the welcome option, and then click on help. After clicking on help, you'll be taken to the helps page where you can go ahead to ask any question that you have from the customer support, and an answer would be provided. Okay, so once you're on the help centers page here, you can decide to search for your question, or if not, you can just scroll down and then either chat with the virtual assistant or give a phone call. To chat with the virtual assistant, just click on the chat, wait for a little while, and then the box will be displayed by the right side of the screen where you can now speak to the virtual assistant, as you can see here. Or you can decide to call. Once you click on the call option, the number that you'd call will be displayed. You can decide to call this number and then ask how you can delete your transfer histories. And from there, you'll be directed on what to do. Thanks for watching and have a good day.